Hey everybody, so today we're doing a little thing different than working on the Camaro. We are actually fermenting a beer. But we're not just fermenting it today. Today we're actually changing it and racking it from the primary to the secondary fermenter. Hope you guys enjoy. What we have here is a mango wheat beer. It is finished fermenting. You can kind of see our little tilt hydrometer in there, which tracks the fermentation cycle of it. So it's done fermenting, so we're going to transfer it from here to our secondary carboy there. That way we can get some more of the yeast off of it and then get the mango stuff added to it. And then we should let that sit for a couple days and then we'll be able to keg it.
Here you can see the readout from our tilt hydrometer showing the fermentation was complete.
Alright, so we can open the airlock on it. You can actually see down in here. See your little hydrometer there. Now we've already gone through the process and sanitized all of our equipment, sanitized our hose here. So we get our hose down in the secondary there. Then we get the racking arm up here. Then we just give it a few pumps. And now it is siphoning into our secondary. And with that, the siphon is complete.
Now it's time to add the mango flavoring. For this batch, we decided to go with the natural flavoring extract instead of puree.
That is just over half, about 2/3. So we're going to give that a shot, see how it does.
Next, we had to go through and get everything all cleaned up. With everything cleaned up, we were done for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.